For thousands of years, one meat has shaped Middle Eastern history, religion, and identity more than any other. It's not beef. It's not chicken. It's lamb, a food so ancient and symbolic that its story stretches from nomadic deserts to sacred rituals. So why does the Middle East love lamb more than any other region on Earth? To understand why lamb dominates Middle Eastern cooking, we have to go back more than 10,000 years, long before cities and kingdoms and empires. In the hills of southeastern Anatolia, northern Iraq, and western Iran, early human communities were transitioning from foraging to herding. Sheep were among the first animals they domesticated. Why sheep? The answer lies in the land itself. Cattle, which require large pastures and abundant water, struggled in the region's rugged and arid landscapes. Sheep, on the other hand, were perfectly suited to the terrain. They could graze on sparse vegetation, survive long dry periods, and thrive on rocky, hilly ground. As nomadic pastoralism developed, sheep didn't just offer meat. They offered milk for daily nutrition, wool for clothing, dung for fuel, and hides for shelter and trade. Sheep became everything. And because sheep were abundant, lamb became the most accessible and sustainable source of meat. From the very beginning, lamb was not just food, it was survival. Nomadic and semi-nomadic groups spread across the Middle East for thousands of years. These tribes moved with their flocks, following seasonal patterns of grazing. Sheep were at the center of their economy, their sense of community, and their worldview. If you lived in one of these early communities, your wealth wasn't measured in gold, it was measured in sheep. Lamb would have been eaten during special occasions, feasts, gatherings, or rituals. Sheep milk was used daily. Lamb held symbolic weight. This pattern of eating lamb for celebrations would eventually shape the region's culinary traditions. And because sheep multiplied quickly, they provided a renewable food source in a way cattle could not. Thus, lamb became the meat that people could depend on, literally. Geography played an enormous role in determining what people ate. The Middle East has a long belt of arid desert, semi-arid steppes, and rugged mountains. Farming cattle wasn't just inconvenient. Often, it was impossible. Unlike the wide green plains of Europe or the river-rich lands of South Asia, the Middle East needed animals that could handle intense heat, limited water, and rough land. Sheep were the logical choice. Even today, in many parts of the Middle East, small herds of sheep can survive in places where crops and other livestock cannot. Villages depended on them. Caravans depended on them. Entire cultures adapted around them. This is why lamb became the dominant protein. The land itself elevated it. Lamb's role in the Middle East is not only agricultural, but deeply religious. Across Judaism, Christianity, and Islam, all originating in the region, lamb carries symbolic meaning. In ancient Jewish tradition, the Passover lamb represented liberation and deliverance. In Christianity, the Lamb of God became a foundational metaphor representing sacrifice, purity, and redemption. In Islam, the story of Abraham's willingness to sacrifice his son and the ram provided as a substitute is commemorated every year in Eid al-Adha. Lamb became the centerpiece of a ritual meal shared with family, neighbors, and the poor. Across thousands of years, lamb became woven into the spiritual rhythm of life. Festivals, sacred meals, and religious holidays revolved around it. Even for people who were not religious, cultural traditions kept these practices alive. Because Because of this long symbolic history, lamb became the food associated with special occasions, identity, and memory. Lamb is a celebration food for weddings, feasts, and hospitality. If you've ever been invited to a Middle Eastern feast, you know one thing. Lamb means honor. Serving lamb, especially a whole lamb, is a gesture of generosity and respect. Historically, preparing an animal for a guest was a sign of true hospitality, something tribes and households took pride in. From Bedouin gatherings to the village celebrations, lamb remained at the center of feasts, from stuffed lamb dishes to slow-cooked lamb stews, grilled lamb kebabs, and lamb roasted on open fire. In many regions, lamb is still the traditional centerpiece for weddings, births, religious holidays, and major celebrations. The tradition continues because it carries symbolic weight, abundance, generosity, and connection to ancestry. The evolution of culinary techniques transformed as empires rose and fell. The Persians, Ottomans, Arabs, Assyrians, Mamluks, each left its mark on lamb cooking. Persians refined herb stews and slow braisers. Arabs perfected spit roasting and whole lamb presentations. Ottomans elevated kebabs, koftas, and rich lamb dishes in palace cuisine. The region's cooking styles evolved, but lamb remained the constant foundation. Even in cities where cattle became more available, cultural preference still leaned toward lamb, the meat tied to identity, memory, and history. Lamb's unique flavor profile, often described as earthy, slightly gamey and rich, complements the spices and herbs native to the region, such as cumin, saffron, mint, sumac, allspice, bay leaves, coriander. These flavors evolved alongside the meat itself. The culinary harmony between lamb and regional spices is not random. It's a product of thousands of years of tradition. Today, in modern Middle Eastern cuisine, lamb continues to dominate menus across the region. From shawarma, kofta, kebabs, kabsa, mansaf, quozi, biryani, tangines, to lamb-stuffed grape leaves. Even with global trade and industrial agriculture, lamb still holds the highest cultural value. Many families reserve it for special meals, while others include it in weekly traditions. Some dishes, like Jordan's mansaf or the Gulf's roasted lamb and rice feasts, are so iconic that they represent national identity. Lamb may no longer be a necessity for survival, but it remains a deep cultural emblem. So why does the Middle East love lamb? Because lamb is woven into everything, from the geography, the ancient economy, to religious traditions, celebratory rituals, the cuisine, and the cultural identity. From the first herders to modern cities, lamb became the region's meat, not by accident, but because it fit the land, shaped traditions, and carried meaning. In a region with one of the world's richest histories, lamb stands as one of its oldest and most enduring symbols. Sheep changed human history in the region. Lamb became embedded in religion and ritual. Lamb evolved into a symbol of hospitality, celebration, and identity. What part of the Middle East's ancient lamb story surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed exploring the ancient history of lamb, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and explore more of our travel history series. History is full of lost places waiting to be discovered, and we'll take you there.